Hi, Daniela. Thank you for your question on having some trouble with the historical influences assignment. And I thought maybe it'd be helpful if I just did this quick little video so that you can actually see it rather than typing it out. But if this still doesn't help, let me know and we can Zoom together and I can show you through Zoom if you can't make it up to campus to my office. So I'm in the student view, why it has the pink around here. So hopefully you can see it exactly the same on my screen now that it'll be on your end. So I am in the home page of our class. Now, I don't know if you're logging into ACES and accessing Canvas through my courses, which is what I recommend, or if you're using the app. If you're using the Canvas app, sometimes things don't render the same, so it might look differently. So I always tell students if you're having trouble, go through ACES, click on my courses, go to your site course, and access the course that way. So how you should be navigating is using the modules key over here. So when you click on modules, it will come up and you go down to the current week that we're in. So we're in week 2 here. In the video, I also kind of break down the assignment for you. So if you're having trouble understanding any parts of the question that you're writing about, that's in that video. But I think your question more is about how to, I'm reading your email here, maybe access it. So you click on the assignment from the module, and then you're going to hit Start Assignment. And this is the grading rubric. So if you down here, so you know where your points come from. But if you go up a little bit, you'll see here is where you're going to upload. So you're typing up a paper that is in response to the questions up above. And again, that video breaks down what I'm asking you to write about. So, it's really this part here. It's 3 paragraphs that you're writing about. And then I do recommend you can just add it, into the text box here, but I really recommend working on those 3 paragraphs in a Word document and then uploading the file. That way you have a backup of it. If you're typing here and your electricity goes out or something like that, it'll be lost. It doesn't have autosave. But if you're working in a Word document, then of course you're going to have it backed up. And then you'll upload the file. You'll choose file, find it on your computer, and then you'll hit submit assignment. And then the assignment comes to me in the grade box. And that's all that you need to do to get to that assignment. So I hope this helps, but if it does not, please, please, please let me know. And I'm happy to walk you through it in person through Zoom or here in my office. Have a great day, and I really am here to help you. So don't feel like you have to figure this out all on your own ever. It is an online course and we don't meet face to face, but that doesn't mean that I'm not here to help you and support you. So I'm so glad you sent the email. Take care and have a great weekend.